Hello. Today, we're going to practice English shadowing together. Here's a simple step-by-step method to help you practice effectively. First, get familiar with the transcript. Next, listen actively and get used to the speaker's voice. Then, listen and read along at a slow speed. After that, repeat the process at a normal speed. Once you're ready, try shadowing without the transcript at a slow speed. Finally, shadow again at a normal speed and try to match the audio as closely as possible. Today's topic is going to the hospital. Listen carefully and speak at the same time. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep going. Let's begin. Sometimes we feel sick and we need to go to the hospital to see a doctor. When this happens, we may feel worried or nervous, especially if we do not know what will happen. However, going to the hospital is important because it helps us take care of our health. When I feel unwell, I first think about my symptoms and I try to understand how I feel. For example, I may have a headache, a sore throat, or a cough. Sometimes I feel tired or have a fever. If my symptoms are not serious, I may rest at home and drink water. However, if I do not feel better, I decide to go to the hospital. When I arrive at the hospital, I usually go to the reception desk and I tell the staff that I want to see a doctor. They may ask me some questions, such as my name, my age, and my problem. After that, I may need to wait for some time before I can see the doctor. Sometimes the hospital is very busy, so I have to sit and wait. During this time, I try to stay calm and patient. While I am waiting, I may look around and see other patients. Some people are talking quietly, while others are resting. Everyone is there because they need help. When it is my turn, the nurse or the doctor calls my name, and I go into the examination room. I sit down and explain my problem clearly. The doctor listens carefully and asks me questions about my symptoms. For example, the doctor may ask, "How long have you felt this way?" Or, "Do you have any pain?" I try to answer honestly and clearly so the doctor can understand my condition. This is very important because the doctor needs correct information. After that, the doctor may check my body. The doctor may check my temperature, listen to my heart, or look at my throat. Sometimes, the doctor may ask me to do some tests, such as a blood test or an X-ray. These tests help the doctor understand the problem better. After the examination, the doctor will tell me what is wrong and give me advice. The doctor may say that I need to rest, drink more water, or take medicine. If I need medicine, I go to the pharmacy in the hospital and I get the medicine. The pharmacist explains how to take the medicine, and I listen carefully. It is important to follow the doctor's advice and take the medicine correctly. If I do this, I can recover faster. After I leave the hospital, I go home and rest. I try to relax and take care of my body. Sometimes I need to go back to the hospital for a follow-up visit. This helps the doctor check if I am getting better. Going to the hospital can feel stressful, but it is necessary when we are sick. Doctors and nurses are there to help us. We should not be afraid to ask questions if we do not understand something. It is important to understand our health. We can also stay healthy by taking care of ourselves every day. We should eat healthy food, drink enough water, and get enough sleep. Exercise is also important because it helps keep our body strong. If we take care of our health, We may not need to go to the hospital often. Now, let's review some ideas. When we feel sick, we may need to go to the hospital. At the hospital, we talk to the doctor and explain our symptoms. The doctor checks our body and gives us advice or medicine. We need to follow the instructions carefully. After that, we go home and rest. We take care of our health. Now, think about yourself. Have you ever gone to the hospital? How did you feel? What did the doctor say? Did you take medicine? Try to answer these questions in English. Speak slowly and clearly. You can say, I went to the hospital. I had a fever. The doctor gave me medicine. Simple sentences are good. Practice every day. You are learning. You are improving. You are doing a great job. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep going. See you next time. Goodbye.